Hey guys, today we're going to learn a fun to play bluegrass song. This was one of the first kind of instrumentals that I learned. It's really easy and it revolves around a chord that's kind of hard to do. So this gives you a little bit more practice on that chord without playing the chord all the way through. So this chord that we're going to use is called the C chord. Alright, so pretty much the whole song we're going to keep our first finger on the first fret of the B string, our second finger on the second fret of the D string, our third finger on the third fret of the A string, and we're just going to move around this chord, alright? So to begin the song, we're going to lift our third finger and we're going to play the second fret of the D string. And like I said, anytime you aren't playing the chord all the way through, always come back to it as you're not playing certain strings. So you're going to lift your fingers up, always come back to these places. So my second finger is always going to play the second fret. My third finger almost always is going to play the third fret. My first finger almost always is going to play the first fret. There's one exception, but I'll show you that one once we get there. So we're going to start with our second finger on the second fret, and we're going to do second, third, then open G. And then we're going to do a hammer on the G. And then play the B with our first finger still there. So that is. And then we go back to the second fret. And then we go. So that's a hammer on. Then. And then we just do that part again. So let's go over it again. So second, third, G, hammer on, B, back to D, then hammer on, then we do that again. And all I'm doing right here is I'm playing that C chord and moving my third finger between the A string and the low E string. Alright, let's try it again. Starting on the second fret with our second finger on the D string. Hammer on. One more time. Here we go. Alright, then we're going to go to our first finger on the B string. It goes like this. First, third, and then we're going to slide up to the fifth. First, third. 1, 3, 5, 5, 5, 3, 1. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, G. Now we do this really neat part. We're going to hammer on and then play the G string. So hammer on D, then play the G. So it goes. Okay, let's try that again. Hammer on between D and the second fret. Then hammer on again from the second to third. Alright, let's go through the whole thing with tablature. I'm going to do it following this video. I'm going to do it one time slow with tablature, one time fast with tablature. Hope you enjoy. I'll catch you at the end of the video.